Hi, in today's lesson you will learn the difference between no and none in English. No is used with a noun. It means not a or not any. For example, we had to walk to the shops because there was no bus. So no before the noun bus. This means there wasn't a bus. Or Sam will have no difficulty finding a flat. It means that Sam won't have any difficulty finding a flat. Or there were no cafes open. Here we've got no again before the noun cafes. This means there weren't any cafes open. You can use no with a noun at the beginning of a sentence. For example, no explanation was given for the change of date for the meeting. We use none without a noun. So for example, you could say, how much money do you have? None, which means you have no money. Notice no noun. Or, all the tickets have been sold. There are none left, which means there are no tickets left. Or we use none of. For example, this food is all yours. None of it is mine. After none of plus a plural noun or pronoun, the verb can be singular or plural. A plural verb is more usual. You could say none of the shops were open, so that's a plural verb, or none of the shops was open, and that's a singular verb. Okay, so now it's your turn. Complete the sentences with no or none. 1. We had to walk home. There were blank taxis. No. Before a noun we use no to mean there were not any taxis. 2. How many eggs have we got? Blank. Do you want me to get some? None. We use none without a noun. Here it means no eggs. 3. We took a few photographs, but blank of them were very good. None. Notice the preposition of, so we use none as we want to say that not any of them were very good. 4. What a silly thing to do. Blank, intelligent person would do such a thing. No. Before a noun we use no to mean not an intelligent person. 5. I tried to phone Chris, but there was blank answer. Write your answer down below and I promise to give you feedback on what you write. So that's it for today. I hope you found this useful and feel more confident in using no and none in English. If you liked it, give it a like and remember to share it with colleagues and friends learning English and subscribe. I really appreciate all your subscriptions, and tell your friends about the channel and click the bell so that you are notified when new lessons come out. Okay, so take care and see you very soon. Bye-bye.